Bush, Katz-Abasch's Client Relationship Manager. Welcome to Your Net Worth in Focus, a video series committed to answering personal financial planning questions. I'm here today again with Michael Andrews. Michael is a seasoned tax professional and part of Katz-Abasch's Personal Financial Services Group, which specializes in protecting and maximizing individuals' financial legacies. Welcome back, Michael.
Hi, everyone. Thanks, Katie.
Today, we'd like to discuss Roth IRAs. A Roth IRA is a special account, retirement account, where you pay taxes on money going into your account, and then all future withdrawals are tax-free. This sounds like a great investment vehicle. However, many people hold misconceptions about it that hinder them from using it. Michael, can you help clarify some benefits our viewers should be aware of if they're considering a Roth IRA?
Sure. As you mentioned, Roth accounts are tax-free, meaning when the contribution is made in the current year, there is no tax deduction. But once those funds are invested, they grow tax-free, and when distributions are taken in retirement, the income is not taxable. Additionally, Roths can be less restrictive than some other retirement accounts. For example, contributions can continue to be made at any age as long as the account holder has earned income. Secondly, there are no required minimum distributions. The account holder can maintain the Roth IRA indefinitely. And lastly, unlike the traditional IRA, which says you cannot touch any of the funds until the age of 59 and a half without incurring a 10% penalty, in a Roth account, you can withdraw your contributions with no penalty at any time.
Got it. So it would seem a Roth IRA is more beneficial than a traditional IRA?
Well, whether or not a Roth IRA is more beneficial can be a very difficult question to answer and would depend on the taxpayer's individual situation and personal preference. For example, you can easily figure out your current year tax bracket, but it is unknown and much harder to predict what tax bracket you will be in during retirement. So generally speaking, if individuals expect to be in a higher tax bracket during their retirement years, they may consider making a Roth contribution today.
Got it. But I hear some individuals' income levels may be too high to contribute to a Roth IRA. Is this a common misconception?
So Roth contributions do phase out at different income levels. For a single filer, the phase out begins at $124,000 of income and is completely phased out at $139,000 of income. And for folks who are married filing jointly, the phase out begins at $196,000 of income and completely phased out at $206,000 for tax years 2020. However, if your income exceeds the phase out threshold, you can consider contributing to a non-deductible IRA. These accounts are available to anyone regardless of their income levels. Once you've made the contribution to the non-deductible IRA, you could immediately convert it to a Roth using a strategy known as a backdoor Roth conversion. There are other factors to consider when using this strategy, like if you have other traditional IRA accounts that you've gotten a tax deduction in previous years, this strategy might result in taxable income. Since there are some complexities, we recommend that you work with your financial advisor and tax advisor to do so.
Thank you, Michael, for helping to highlight some of the benefits of a Roth IRA and items to consider if you decide to use it. As a reminder to our viewers, every Roth IRA or traditional IRA contribution should be discussed with a qualified tax professional or financial advisor.
Thank you for watching today's session. If you have any questions regarding future financial planning decisions, please reach out to us at katzabasch.com. Also, visit our events section of our website to register for our webinar on November 12th on IRA and Roth IRA planning. Our tax and estate advisors, Mark Kelly and Lori Kirk, will go further into detail on these retirement accounts regarding their rules, opportunities, and even beneficiary considerations. Again, you can visit us at katsabosh.com, resources and event page to register. We look forward to seeing you there. Thank you, everyone.